The president of the KHASI Students' Union Central Executive Committee, LAMBOK STARWELL had spoken through the media on the need for the implementation of INNERLINE permit in the state of Meghalaya. LAMBOK expressed his disappointment and dissatisfaction at the apathy of the central government in not paying heed to the demands of the people of Meghalaya with regards to the implementation of INNERLINE permit. He reiterated the fact that the union is firm on its stand in opposing the proposal by the central government in setting up of a railway line till Barninghat in Meghalaya. He further added that it is high time that all 60 MLAs of Meghalaya should not stop at just raising the issue of ILP during elections, but should pursue the matter till its successful implementation in the state.
Inamla ban ong laka mu kamut kumno na kaliang sarkar hot ni statement ban kaskar kan yai putin ba kan lit ban kan du biang ba kaskar dia ban sothu ni ka kam ndai kumung sothu ni yo ni ke input ke input ka long ba ha tu untar sakar dia pa kan ni ai ti ni kren na ka por ba ke ju LP kam dei issue tong kas kisang balang ni issue jong ka wei por ka parti ni issue ni issue jong ka chala ka wei inam kuat hiba ke isu LP kan dai ka isu ke ban kalong ka renstan ban ya perkesan election pola election ne ban ong ba kan dai ka wei ka agenda ka ba kinja kan mas election sharum berchinen dai ikwa ka kan isu kan dai isu ke balong dai ka ko isu jong ka jala ni kuat ka sarkar kan ya terti ni kan ritngan ni yang tai dai na kaliang jong ngi kum kaseng mit bat sembalan ang yo pan slok ni sini ang ba ngi ay persno kum ye kren nomor wei la pas official resolution ade kamram juga sarkar ba kamram ki te ken mut nu ken putin sport ti ban yo ta clear picture la ka ik stan ba ik no rem ni ka ik thnu jong skar ni la kan tri kam em ni ka ILP ko ko chala ha tingi kmi lunti ba ka sarkar jala kan kamlong agar ngejukren labor kamlong agresif kan sothu kan ai clear picture watch by ba so jala ba koi ayu ko sekarang dia kedon ban ong kamtan macam dawa putri kam kamtan adin ba sekarang jelai la pas official resolution bedai ba ka ILP